A bathroom in harmony with nature and humanity. A retreat that pampers us, that washes stress and dirt from our bodies. In the morning, before a long day, and in the evening for a relaxing night. All this happens almost without water. It is a warm space, created by design instead of energy. A look in the mirror is easy for us because we know that our well-being comes not at the expense of the environment. In the future, our hands are washed clean with only a little water. In the future, we will fulfill our desire for relaxation and the need for a mental retreat with heat, steam, and color instead of bathtubs full of water. This is the future. 90% less water, 90% less energy, 90% less CO2. This is Hansgrohe's Green Vision Beyond Water.